Rising Kids with Skills. Welcome kids. Today we will learn the use of has and have. Let's start. Has. We use has when talking about one person or thing in the present tense, like he, she, it, or a singular noun. For example, she has a pet dog. He has a big red ball. The tree has green leaves. Jack has a football. This is my car. It has 4 wheels. Have. We use have when you are talking about yourself, more than one person or things in the present tense, like I, you, we, they, or plural nouns. For example, I have a new bicycle. They have a lot of toys. You have a pet. We have dinner. John and Raj have a cricket kit. Negative sentences. We use has not or have not to make negative sentences. For example, she has not arrived yet. He has not seen the new movie. The cat has not caught the mouse. It has not stopped raining. I have not read the book. You have not cleaned your room. We have not made any plans for weekend. They have not arrived at the party. The children have not done their homework. Interrogative sentences. We use has or have at the beginning of a question to form interrogative sentences. For example, has she finished her homework? Has he seen the new movie? Has the dog eaten its food? Has it started raining yet? Have we bought enough groceries? Have you completed your project? Have they gone to the park? Have I left my keys at home? Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.